5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit it. 180, left 5, 400. At the end of that is a small crest 50, right 4 plus, 180. At the end of the 180 is a left 5 minus over small crest, long 50. Then right 3 plus, long 70, turn, left 1 plus, no cut. So right 3 plus, long 70, turn, left 1, no cut. 150. 70, so stop sign, left 1, no cut. 150. Left 6 plus, into right 4 plus over small crest, opens, 30. Then left 4 minus over small crest, 70. Now left 4 minus over small crest, 70. And right 5 minus long, 600. Right 5 minus long, 600. Way at the end of this is a slowing right 6 plus into turn right 5 minus. There's your slowing right 6 plus into turn right 5 minus. Into left 5 plus, 100. There's left 5 plus, 100. Then left 6 over small crest, 70. Right 5 plus, 50. Left 5 over small crest, 50. This is a left 5, then right 6 plus, into left 5 plus long, into right 5, 50. Now right 5, 50, and left 6 plus long, 50. Then right 6 into crest 20, left 5 off camber. Right 6 into crest 20, left 5 off camber, 50. Then right 5 minus, into left 5 minus, 250. At the end of the 250 is a left 5, then kinks over 200. Then right 5 long, up there's a right 5 long, into left 6 plus, 100. After the 100 is a left 4. Up there is a left 4, then right 5, 50. Now right 5, 50, and left 6 off camber into right 6 plus, into left 5. Into crest, 70. Then right 5 plus, very long, 70. Right 5 plus again, into left 4 plus, so that's a right 5 plus, into left 4 plus, 100. Then left 5 plus 30, right 4 plus. Now right 4 plus, into left 5 long, 50. Then right 4, 50. Here's your right 4, now 50. Left 5 plus long, into small crest, into right 6 long, then right 5 into small jump, 70, right 4 minus. So right 5 into small jump, 70, right 4 minus. Into left 6, 100. Left 6 long, 150. Right 6 plus, braking 100, left 4 plus long. Into right 4 plus, 120. Right 4 plus, then 120, then care, turn left 2 plus at sign. So right 4 plus 120, care, turn left 2 plus at sign. 250. Flat over that crest, 200. Flat over the crest, next crest, 250. Then bridge, 120, chicane right entry. Chicane right entry, then 250. Looks pretty wide.
Yeah, it does. I just want to make sure, though.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, we can almost like...
Someone clipped them, that's why.
Yeah.
Small crest, 300, then turn left 3 plus after pull. 250. So turn left 3 plus after pull. 250.
Okay, sweet.
Left 6 plus into braking right 650. Left 4 long over small crest opens. So braking right 650, left 4 long over small crest opens. 70. Crest 30. Then right 5 plus. Crest 30, right by plus, then left 6. Right 6 plus long, 250. Right 6 plus long, 250. After the 250s, a right 5 plus 50. Crest 30, right 5 plus 200. 50, crest 30, right 5 plus again, 200. Small crest 500. At the end of this is a right 6 plus braking 100, right 5 over crest long tightens. So right 6 plus braking 100, right 5 over crest long tightens. Then left 5 tightens to 4 long over small crest. Now left 5 tightens to 4 long over small crest, 50. Right 6 into small crest, 150. Small crest slowing 70, care right 6 short into turn left 3 plus. It's going to open and tighten back to 3 plus. Opens and tightens back to 3 plus, crest 50, then right 5 minus off camber tightens. Right 5 minus off camber tightens, 30, then left 6, 50, and right 6 over small crest off camber, left 5 over crest off camber, 70. Then small crest into right 5 minus off camber, into small crest, into left 5 plus long, 50. Then right 4 minus, now right 4 minus 30, right 2. 30, right 2 at T. Right 2 now at T. Then right 6 over small crest off camber. 50, right 5 plus off camber. And left 6 long, opens and tightens to 5. Now left 6 long, opens and tightens to 5. 50. Then right 5 plus off camber. Left 5 plus, opens, tightens to 5, 50. Right 4, off camber long, into left 6, 70. Still right?
Yep.
Into left 6, 70. Small crest, 150. Then left 5 off camber, 50. Then right 5 plus long off camber, 120. After the 120 is a turn left 3 minus at T. 120, then turn left 3 minus at T. 100. Left 5 plus, very long, 150. Left 6, 70. Right 4 over small crest. So left 6, 70. Right 4 over small crest. then left 4 plus, 70. Now left 4 plus 70, and right 4 over crest, 50. Up there's a right 4 over crest, 50, then left 5, 50. Left 5 now, 50, and right 5 plus off camber over small crest, long, 30, left 4. Now left 4, 50. Small crest, 250. Then small crest into right 4 plus, very long, over long crest. So small crest into right 4 plus, very long, over long crest, 100. Crest 30. Left 5 minus, so crest 30, left 5 minus, into small crest, into right 5 minus. Right 5 minus now, into left 5 plus, 50. Then left 6 plus into right 5 plus, 50. Then right 6 into left 5 plus 50, right 4 minus long. So right 6 into left 5 plus 50, right 4 minus long. Then left 5 plus. So now left 5 plus, 70. Left 4. Then kinks over 250. Left 4 off camber at the end of this is a left 4 off camber. Into right 6 plus. Now right 6 plus into left 6, 70. Then right 6 long, 70. Left 6 very long, 70 again. Then right 5 plus, 50. Small jump, 40. Left 5 minus, opens. So 50, small jump, 40. Left 5 minus, opens. Into small crest. 30, slowing right 6, tightens 5 minus, into left 4 off camber, 70.
Maybe put a care on that.
Okay. Left 4 plus opens, into right 4 plus off camber, 70. Left 5 minus. Then right 5 off camber long, 50. Right 5 off camber long, 50, then left 5 plus long care, 70, turn left 2 minus up and narrow. So left 5 plus long, 70, care, turn left 2 minus up and narrow. Then it's rough over 450. Way at the end of this is a care, drive, right 4 minus over crest, tightens to 3 minus off camber. Repeat care, drive, right 4 minus over crest, tightens 3 minus off camber. Then opens to 50, and right 6 over crest. 30, left 4 plus down, right 6 over crest, 30, left 4 plus down, 50, care, left 3 plus late and long, that's a care, left 3 plus late and long, then stay right over big crest, 50, stay right over big crest, 50, left 5 plus long, 250, left 5 at the end of this, 70, then right 4 off camber, 100. Right 4 off camber now, 100. Crest 180. Crest 350. Jump 70. Small crest 180. Jump 150. Then slowing big crest 50 down, so here's your jump 150. Then slowing big crest 50 down, left 6. This might be your jump 150, but slow it on it, slow it on it. Okay, so slowing big crest 50 down, left 6 into right 5 plus. Sorry, I was 1 early.
That's fine.
Right 5 plus now, 30. Then left 6 plus. And kinks over 150, then left 5 minus, very long. Into right 5 plus over small crest, long. So right 5 plus over small crest, long. Into small crest 30, right 5 minus. Small crest 30, then right 5 minus. Into left 5 minus. Into right 5 minus, 100. Right
Narrow.
5 minus now, 100. Left 6, 250. Then braking left 5 plus off camber, 50, right 2 plus. Braking left 5 plus off camber, 50, turn right 2 plus. 70. Right 5, into left 5 long, 30. Right 4 plus, opens and tightens to 4 minus. So now right 4 plus, opens and tightens to 4 minus. Into left 5. Turn left 4 plus. Into right 4 minus, opens very long. So turn left 4, here's your right 4 minus, opens very long. Into left 4 minus, then kinks over 100. Then care, right 4 over crest, off camber, down. So care, right 4 over crest, off camber, down. Into left 4 minus off camber. Into right 5 off camber. Right 5 off camber, left 4 plus. Opens and tightens to 550. Then left 5 plus, into right 4 plus long, tightens. 100. Watch the tightens, then 100. Left 5 minus long. 150. Then right 4 long, off camber, tightens. Right 4 long, off camber, tightens, 50. Left 3 plus long, over finish. There's your left 3 plus long over finish, 120.
Yeah, it's long. My fault. There we go. Got it.
Nice job, dude. Good
job.
stage.
Thanks, buddy.
17-15.
Fuck yeah, that's good. I'll
think
take
so.
it. Hee hee. And kept it clean.
Yep.
Kept in the road. No fucking moments.
No.
Ah, that was-
Still fast.
Yes, dude. I'm getting.